Are you ready to answer hard financial questions across all your churches, funds, schools, chanceries, or charities? Do you struggle to consolidate information, perform real-time analysis on combined financial and operational information, or document decisions in the context of your financial records? Are you GAAP compliant and audit ready? Introducing Intacct, the cloud financial management solution built to meet the needs of dynamic diocesan organizations. Let me briefly show you Intacct's tools for keeping you in control across your organization. In this simple example, a diocese has multiple parishes, funds, a school, a foundation, and chancery. Leaders in each entity see the entity they manage. The school director sees just the school, the foundation manager sees just the foundation, and so on. The CFO and controller see across all the entities. Conversations and collaborate about the growing expense of operating aging inner-city church buildings has caught the bishop's attention, and a financial council meeting scheduled for next month has been moved to this afternoon. We start with a built-in role-based dashboard that instantly captures financial and operational information for the organization, in this case, a struggling parish. We can see that operating expenses are outrunning donations. Drilling down, we can see the details and quickly see what's causing the overrun. To get a broader feel for how entities are doing, we jump over to the CFO's dashboard for the school. By combining captured external or statistical information within the system, we can easily track enrollment by site, average tuition per student, or volunteer hours by campus. Whatever matters to you can be easily tracked and viewed using point-and-click setup without the help of IT consultants. Moving over to look at the foundation, a fiscal stabilizer in the diocese, we see that donations there are up and operating expenses are well within budget. From a note in Collaborate, we see that the development office has confirmed a $250,000 gift. Also, by setting up programs as a dimension, we can see a breakout of donations and expenses across these different programs run by the foundation. We can also see statistical information such as average expense per person served and donations per volunteer hour. Each of these entities we've looked at has a different focus, but a shared chart of accounts, and the Bishop and Finance Council want the top-down picture this afternoon. Because a shared chart of accounts provides for continual consolidation, we're able to roll up financial and statistical information to see across the entire organization. In the top-level view, we see that overall, we're doing well. We see an instant view of parish metrics and drillable report views of the parish assessment report and a combined statement of activities report. The combined statement of activity shows the huge advantage of a shared chart of accounts. Beyond tracking what you did and when you did it, it's important to leverage Intacct's real-time communication to keep your entire organization informed about why you did it. Rather than relying on disparate email strings, Intacct provides a consistent front-to-back office collaboration tool. You collaborate on key information to make decisions, and then document those decisions in the context of the financial records they relate to. In this example, the CFO states, based on the consolidated view we've seen today to maintain our aging buildings without overrunning the parishes that rely on them, we could tap the fiscal strength of our foundation and possibly create a program targeting care of these historic sites. Thanks for pulling this together so quickly. Notice a snapshot of the chart showing the current strength of the foundation now permanently stored with the conversation. A follow-up note from the controller says, Foundation discretionary funds are currently at levels that will allow us to begin assisting without pulling from other funded programs. A year or more from now, when the Finance Council is discussing why they shifted these funds, they can replace recollections and speculation with a documented decision and audit trail. Whether chancery, parishes, foundation, school, or other, the CFO and Finance Council can view, drill, slice, and dice for all entities and across all dimensions like programs. With dozens or even hundreds of entities, the process is the same. In summary, using Intacct's dashboards as a starting point, we viewed and analyzed the data and results in real time, using financial and operational data consolidated from across the organization. We drilled down to see the meaning behind the numbers, transactions, and collaborative conversations. Based on this information, we made key decisions about the direction of the organization. And then, and this is important, we documented those decisions in the context of the financial records for future conversations. Along the way, automated processes keep the organization GAAP compliant and audit ready. Whether you support the chancery, parish, foundation, schools, or charities, on-site or remote, Intacct provides the real-time visibility to help ensure proactive management that allows your organization to maximize stewardship and mission impact. Listen to what actual customers said about taking charge of their not-for-profit organizations with Intacct. Visit intacct.com/customer videos.